Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APTO. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $2.25. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above it, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that, down here at the low point of the day, which is at 205. So 225, 205, two of the nearer term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at the bigger picture of things. So this definitely assumes you have more so a broader time horizon. But that is where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very black and white perspective in terms of gauging the strength of the current price movement, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the strength is fully in the bull's favor, no doubt about it. Again, if the price could stay above 225, that would be great. But from the broad scope of things, like I said, as long as the price is above the purple line, then the overall trend fully in the bull's favor. What about areas of resistance? Key level right now going forward, right here at that mark at $2.45. And I'm just going to leave it at that and talk about just that one. Reason for that is, in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is going through healthy consolidations and building higher lows, because as long as higher lows are being built as time goes by from a longer term perspective, then everything else will fall into place, including breaking areas of resistance. So focus on going through healthy consolidation, building higher bases, and then, yeah, just sit back and let the chart do its thing. No doubt about it, though. Very nice way to start off the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.